What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today, continuing on with the Bronco build. The last upload on the Bronco, we went ahead and installed the Roush cold air intake. So today, like I mentioned in that video, we are going to be installing the blow-off valve adapter, so we get that full vent to atmosphere and we get that really cool iconic turbo flutter kind of noise. So I know this is kind of like more common in like the tuner world with, like, you know, cars, imports, stuff like that, but I thought it'd be super cool to go ahead, throw it on the Bronco and give my Bronco a little bit more character. So over in the parts pile over here, it is going to be this box right here, and the blow-off valve adapter that we are going to be installing is from Boomba Racing. So this is obviously how it comes packed. You get some cool little swag in there. And then here we go. Right here. Designed and made in the old US of A. Perfect for the 4th of July weekend when I'm going to be installing this. So as you can see right there, just a blow-off valve adapter. It's not an actual blow-off valve itself. This is going to install right inside that I want to say this is the PCV location right here, and then I believe this installs just right on top of it, so it's going to be kind of like that with an old one sitting on top. That way we get that full vent to atmosphere sound. So let's go ahead, open this up, take this off. I'm going to go ahead, throw you on the tripod, do a time lapse. I'll throw some notes in there so you guys see exactly what I'm doing. Another very simple beginner modification. So yeah, let's go ahead and get to it. The adapter is just going to go in between here and here. It's going to be like sandwiched between the two, and then it's just held on with these weird like bolt looking things. It's like a star, right? So you got to get just one of those, and then, you know, they go on here and you just undo it just like a regular you know, bolt. But you got that one there, down there, and then one over here. So 3 all together. Now let me go ahead and show you the adapter. Over here, these are pretty inexpensive. I think they're like 80 bucks, but this one is actually like metal. I'm pretty sure it's aluminum, so pretty good quality, you know, for 80 bucks. Yeah, there's really not too much to say about this, so let's just go ahead and get the install done. And just like that, we are done. Pretty simple to do. Took about I don't know, maybe 10 minutes to, you know, take this off and install the other one. As you can see, like on here, they have like these little you know, retainers that go onto, or they did on the stock one anyway. The screw went through there and then attached to there. You probably saw me try to do that in the time lapse, but the screws that they provide for the new ones weren't long enough to go through here and then still thread into that. So these are just gonna sit down here. I'll probably like throw a zip tie on there and just like kind of secure them out of the way, but you know, no big deal. That's perfectly fine. Everything else, relatively simple to do. You probably saw me struggling a little bit with this one back here just because I couldn't get good leverage on the screwdriver since the intake is in the way. But yeah, as you can see, all installed. I went with the black one. They also do sell it in silver, red, and blue. I just think the black looks the cleanest since everything else in the engine bay is black, so it's kind of inconspicuous. But let's go ahead, turn the Bronco on, and I'll give you a quick little sound sample. This should sound pretty cool. We'll do a quick little pull with the windows down. so you can see, so you can hear it, and then we'll do one with the windows up. So it's definitely noticeable, but I wouldn't say it's like over the top loud. The Roush intake definitely helps add a little bit of a turbo spool noise to it as well, so that's pretty cool. Let's go ahead, I'll roll the windows up here so we can get a good take for it with the windows up as well. Here we go. So with the windows up, it's really not noticeable, but let's see. Yeah, pretty cool, right? So, all right, let's go back to the garage. All right, everyone, so that's gonna do it for this one. Another quick, simple mod you can go ahead and throw onto your Bronco. This works for the 2.3 as well as the 2.7, so either way, you can go ahead and throw one of those on there. It takes about 10-15 minutes if you have some experience, maybe 30-45 minutes if you don't. But again, cheap, inexpensive way for you to start modding your 2021 and up Bronco. So yep, like, subscribe, comment down below, let me know what you think of the build so far. It's coming along real nicely, and in the next video we are finally going to be jumping into the exhaust and installing the Flowmaster on the Bronco. So I'll see you guys in the next one. See you later.